In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the old user interface back in Discord. If you've been longing for that familiar look of Discord and wish to bring it back, you're in the right place. Whether you're on a computer or using a mobile device, I've got you covered with some effective methods. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Discord account. If you haven't done so yet, open your Discord app or navigate to the browser version and sign in using your credentials. This is essential because we'll be tweaking some settings within your account. Now, let's focus on your computer. Once you're logged in and have your Discord account open, head straight to your profile and click on Settings. As you enter the Settings menu, you'll see various options. What we need is located a bit further down, so go ahead and scroll until you find the Advanced section. In this section, something called Developer Mode should catch your eye. Make sure that this option is turned on. Enabling Developer Mode can sometimes trigger the old UI to reappear or, at the very least, offers additional customization options that can help recreate that look you're after. For those who wish to delve a little deeper, there's another way to potentially bring back the old UI, and that's by turning to third-party tools like Better Discord. Better Discord lets you install plugins that can disable the new visual changes. You can also tweak Discord CSS using this tool to remove elements introduced with the update. A word of caution, though, Discord has been actively working to block these workarounds. As a result, some users might experience errors or find these methods don't work as they previously did. It's always important to be aware of the risks and ensure you're comfortable with the potential limitations. For those on mobile devices, the process is slightly different but just as straightforward. Begin by accessing the app settings on your device. Within these settings, you'll need to clear all cache and data associated with your Discord app. This removes any recent changes and settings stored on your device. Following this, you'll want to uninstall the current version of Discord from your device. After uninstallation, reinstall Discord, potentially prompting your app to revert to the older UI style as it navigates back to default settings. And there you have it. By following these tweaks and tips, you stand a good chance of rolling back to the older Discord UI, giving you that nostalgic look and feel that you may have been missing. Remember to stay informed about updates, as Discord may continuously work to change how these modifications can be applied. Good luck, and happy chatting with your refreshed Discord experience.